Here's a short video showing the working of this Swift 16 V5 lathe. The serial number is 14158, so it's an early sort of post-war lathe. Dimensions 5 foot swing in the gap, 6 foot between centres, and generally the gap comes out. I'll show you that shortly. The gap comes out of the bed to give you about 2'6". I'll just start it up now, and here's the control panel up there. I'm going to press the button. We'll then go on to Star Delta. Okay, click. Right, now we're going to I'm going to engage the feed for the cross slide. It's very handy, this lathe, because you can turn a taper with the cross slide. It's got a nice lead screw there, which drives the top slide over that distance, which is something like about 9 inches, and produce a nice taper, ideal for locomotive wheels. We select the feed on this dial here from the cross feed and the sliding table to this is now engaged top slide feed. We'll run her up, press to start. There we go. Now I'll engage the self-act, which is that one, and we can see this is driving the top slide here, and that will produce our tapered cut. As you can see, just about see at the top there, we've got about 2 degrees on the table there at the moment. Here we've got the various feeds and speeds, selection of feeds, etc., and the reverse as well for the spindle, and then we've got the speed range on that chart, which is just above the stop-start switches. Okay, back onto the tool. I think that's about, I don't know, 40-50 toe cut really, not much for a lathe of this size, but this is just to show the operation of it. Some of the sizes available on the lathe, on that bit of paper there. Base plate 46 diameter, spindle bore 4 3/8, swing over bed 36, swinging the gap 60. And this down here, this is the part of the gap that comes out here, right out the way, so you can have a big chunky piece in there. It's a lovely lathe. Good old British engineering. Just knock that feed off a minute, wind the table back, and we can see the extent of the gap bed here down this line, which all that piece lifts out to enable a nice big piece to be turned there. And we press the stop, and that's the electric brake, brings everything to a close. There we go.